Welcome to Platform Connections Tutorials. Positive Marketing Connecting E-commerce. In this tutorial we are going to discuss adding marketplaces to your account. Specifically in this tutorial we are going to talk about adding an eBay marketplace to your account. So what you do is you come into marketplaces where you'll be presented with a list of current marketplaces you've already added. To add a new marketplace, click on New Marketplace and you'll be presented with a drop down menu of options of marketplaces you can add to your account. As you can see here, we've only got eBay UK, so we're going to select that one. Once we've done that, we will then be presented with all of the options for that particular marketplace. And I'll go through these one by one for you for this particular marketplace. So the first one is a marketplace name, which is a non-editable name and is a global setting for Platform Connections. The second option is your max listing quantity per product. Now, this has been set so that we can enjoy listing as many products as we possibly can within the limitations of your eBay account. Most eBay accounts will have limitations on either the value of total value of goods or the limitation of the number of products that can actually be listed on an account. So what we do is we give you the option to list a maximum quantity, and the way that works is that, let's say for example you have a mug and the mug has 437 items in stock. If you were to list all 437 items, that's 437 of your limited 3,000 items that you can list. But it's also, if they were £10 each, £4,500 worth of product that you're listing on eBay of a £50,000 limit that you might have. So rather than that, we will actually give you the option to list only 2 or 3 or 4 for each of the items that you're listing. When you sell one of these items, the stock is automatically updated to your maximum listed quantity again. So let's say you list 2 mugs, you sell one of them, our system will then automatically put your listing back to 2 within about 5 to 10 minutes, so that you're constantly listing the new item all of the time. And if you sell both of the items again, it will relist it back up to a quantity of 2. In the same way, if you set your maximum listing quantity to 10, let's say, and you only have 4 in stock, we'll only list the 4. We won't say that you've actually got 10 in stock, because obviously you don't. So we do check the differences between your actual stock and what you actually are attempting to list. eBay orders, updating the eBay orders. This is an automatic process. If you want us to do it, you can choose no here. And this, when the item is marked as dispatched on our system, and that's done automatically if it's one of our automated suppliers, the listing will be updated, or the order will be updated to dispatched. And therefore eBay will notify your customer that the item has actually already been dispatched. At the same time, if you mark leave feedback for customer as yes, and you've set feedback text in your settings under the eBay manager, we will also leave feedback for your customer. A randomized selection of one of the items that you've actually set within that setting. Again, if you don't want us to do that, then just simply click that to no. The PayPal email address is the only item that isn't pre-populated for you, because we don't know your PayPal email address. This is linked to your listing so that your customer or purchaser can actually pay for the item via PayPal. We don't ask for your password, we never will ask for your password. We only need the email address that's related to your account. The final 2 options: have an eBay store. If you have an eBay shop, eBay store, then simply click yes, and our system will then be able to connect up with eBay and download all of the categories within your eBay store, so you can assign those to your products and actually organize your shop too. And the last one is your primary eBay account. This has to be set at least on one of your marketplaces for eBay to yes, so that we know which is your primary account. Predominantly if you're selling across multiple marketplaces, one of them will have your eBay shop, and that is the primary reason why. But also it enables us to be able to list particular items on your default account before any other marketplaces. Once you have done all of that, click update, and that's the marketplace set for you. If you decide that you want to come in and edit this particular marketplace, just come back into marketplaces and click on the pencil and paper icon, and that will then enable you to be able to make any changes. Just a point of notice, if you amend your maximum listing quantity, any listing which is already populated will then be updated to suit the new maximum listing quantity. So if you set it as 2 now, which generally most people do, and you then decide actually I want to update that to 4 because I've got all my products listed and my allowances accept that, change it to 4, click on the update button, and then over a period of time we will update automatically all of your listings for that particular platform with the new quantity. We hope this Platform Connections tutorial has been of some help to you, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.